Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Programming the mind. You can program your mind to be, do, and have anything you want. Think about something long enough, your words and behavior will follow behind, and it will eventually spill out in the external world. Therefore, program your mind for health, happiness, and success, and eventually your external world will embrace the essence of your thoughts and desires. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe this with all my being. I believe what you think and what you put out there is what you're going to get back. I believe that with all my soul. So if you're putting out health, happiness, and success, I believe that's what's going to come back to you. And like I always say, follow love, and that's what's going to come back. I believe this with all my soul. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.